Weekly Planner project in Asana is to organize and align all the priorities of the week for the entire team in the company because we manage different kind of clients. So what we are going to do is fill out this project with the tasks that we have for the different kind of projects just for the week. For this, I'm going to go into an example project. This is a fictitious client that we have different tasks with different due dates. So the project manager needs to be responsible knowing that the only task that needs to be in this project are the priorities for the week. And each person that has tasks assigned and due for the week needs to be also responsible to add those tasks into the team weekly planner. This is something very easy to do. You can go ahead into the project. The task may be assigned to different kind of persons, so you can go ahead and filter by assignee and check the due dates of the task and assign just those tasks into the new project. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to do this as an example, I'm going to go into this task that will be due by the week we are going to plan. In the details, you open the task, you go into the task actions, and you're going to add the task in the team weekly planner project. Under the section to-do list. So this is something that is recommended to do each Friday in the afternoon. So by Monday morning, you already have all the to-do list for the week here. And as the week goes by, every day in the morning, you need to move the task that you are going to be working on into the work in progress column. If you have a blocker on the task, you need to do so here on the comments. You need to tag the person that you are having a blocker and what kind of blocker you are having. Place the comment. Once you do that, you're going to move the task into waiting for approval because you are needing for this person to approve the task or to give you other kind of information in order to get this task done. And once you complete the task, you go ahead, complete the task, leave a comment that you completed the task and this is already finalized to go with the next steps, place the comment, and then go ahead in the Team Weekly Planner and move the task into the Done section. And that's it.